Welcome back YouTube. I am Arjun, your WordPress guide, here again with second video about login to WordPress Admin Dashboard. It's super simple job to log into WordPress Admin Dashboard, but sometimes people do have problem with and don't know how to log in to change and update the website feeding with web content. Well, first open your favorite web browser, then go and type your website domain name, whatever your domain name is, abcs.com, something like that. I have installed the WordPress on my local machine, so my domain name is localhost slash WordPress tutorial. That's my domain name, and follow with wp hyphen login.php or wp admin. You can play around with either of them and hit enter key. Alright, you will come with the standard WordPress login page. Supply username and password that you have set up at the time of WordPress installation. As we have credentials set up on our previous tutorial, I am supplying exact the same, that is username as a admin and password abc at 123. Then hit the login button. Now you are in the WordPress admin dashboard, which is ready to feed and update your site. If you are already logged in, you have a toolbar something like this while you visit your site, localhost slash WordPress underscore tutorial. This toolbar, you can go directly from this toolbar to your dashboard. It's very simple. You are all done. If you have any question, leave the comment on the comment box and hit the subscribe and like button if you haven't already. Thank you. Have a good day.